In this video, we'll write the net ionic equation for HCl plus LiCO3. This is hydrochloric acid plus lithium carbonate. So the first thing we need to do is balance the molecular equation. We've got two lithiums here and just one here. I'm going to put a 2 in front of the LiCl. At this point, I think if I have two chlorines here, I should probably put a 2 here. That balances the hydrogens, and I have 2 plus 1, 3 oxygens. Everything's balanced. So we've got our molecular equation. Next, we can write the state for each substance. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. You should remember that. And because of that, it's going to dissociate completely. We're going to say aqueous. It'll dissolve in water. Lithium carbonate, compounds with lithium, very soluble. We have lithium compound again here. Water, H2O, that's a liquid. And carbon dioxide, that's a gas. So we have the states for each substance. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into their ions, and that'll give us the complete ionic equation. So hydrogens in group 1, that'll have a 1 plus, the chloride ion 1 minus. 2 hydrogen ions, H plus, I'll write aqueous later, plus this 2 goes to everything here, so 2 chloride ions. And then lithium, that's in group 1 with hydrogen, has a 1 plus ionic charge. The whole carbonate has a charge of 2 minus. Good to remember. So we have 2 of these lithium ions. And we have just the 1 carbonate. So these are the reactants in our net ionic equation. For the products, we have the plus and the minus here. So 2 lithium ions, just like the reactants, plus 2 chloride ions again. Then for water, we don't split that apart in net ionic equations. And then gases, we don't split that apart either. So this is what we call the complete ionic equation. Now we can cross out spectator ions. They're on both sides of that complete ionic equation. They haven't changed, so we're not interested in them. So in the reactants here, I can see 2 chloride ions, and in the products. So we get rid of those. We have 2 lithium ions here in the reactants and in the products. Those are gone. What's left, that's the net ionic equation for HCl plus LiCO3. I'll clean this up and write the states in. We'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the balanced net ionic equation for hydrochloric acid plus lithium carbonate. You note that charge is balanced. I have 2 times the 1 plus, that's 2 plus, and I have a 2 minus. Add those up, net charge of 0. Over here, everything's neutral, net charge of 0. The atoms, they're balanced as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for HCl plus Li2CO3. Thanks for watching.